mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video full of the Grinch products from Pure Cosmetics. This is one of them right here, the palette. But I've got a palette, I've got brushes, I've got masks, and I've got liners to try out, and it might be in this look right now. Before we dive in, I do want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you do enjoy, and do subscribe. I am trying to get to 10,000 by my birthday, and it is about 1 month away. I'm a December baby, close to Christmas, and I want to do like a really big happy birthday, Merry Christmas, 10,000 giveaway. I think that would be so much fun, and I've got a lot of fun videos planned for you, and I would just love to have you as one of my subbies and friends here on YouTube. I always appreciate you guys tuning in. It means the world to me. I do want to start out with showing you guys the mask. Now, I didn't get the full size mask in a tube, but I got these because they're adorable. This is the Beware of Perfection 4-piece sampler mask gift set. These are really cute as a gift as a whole, but breaking them up is really nice too. Actually, inside the box is 4 little boxes. It even has the 2 in the from. Really cute with the little Grinch on it, and you can see the ornament inside. So there are 4. There is the Beware of Perfection Soak It Up Intense Hydrating Moisture Mask. We also have the Purple Pore Punisher Pore Tightening, which comes in this little guy. We got Dirty Girl Detoxifying Mud Mask. And then finally the Glitterly Gold Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I think what I'm going to do is use them tonight. I will insert a clip using at least one, if not a couple of these, and show you what they're like. But they are adorable, and popping these into a stocking or breaking these up for like girlfriends or giving it as a whole is a really cute gift idea. I would love to receive it if I didn't already have them. So yeah, I love that. So that's the first thing in the collection, and now we will jump into the rest. So if you want to see me use everything else from the Pure and Grinch collection, then just keep watching. So let's start with this brush kit. This is the He Hates It, You'll Love It 5-piece brush set and pouch. I'll put the price on the screen for you. I posted this on my Instagram already because I was excited. So you get the bag first off, which looks like this. It's got all his little sayings on it, and then the little zipper pull is cute. It's the little Pure, which is like a broken ornament. Really adorable. And then here are the 5 brushes where you can see them a bit better. You get what looks to be a good powder brush, liner brush, and you get 3 eyeshadow brushes. So I'm excited to put these to use. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these 3 out so that we can use them with the palette. So the palette itself is pretty large. This is definitely more of a like enjoyable collector's piece. This is probably not gonna be the one you wanna travel with, but for a pretty holiday look, this is really cool. This is called Good Enough to Steal 12-piece collector's face palette and color changing lip balm set. Mouthful. So here's what it looks like when you open this up. This is actually what you have, which is this little pop-up. It's so cute. It's like Whoville, broken ornaments, a heart. This is the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day in the mirror up there. It's very much on theme with the Grinch. Very cute and definitely more of a collector's piece. So underneath is your palette right here. You can take it completely separate from this. So this way you don't have to hold this bulky part of the box. And this is what it looks like. Has a lot of really cool colors in it. It's got 2 really chunky glitters. You get your lip balm. Let's go ahead and try some of this lip balm out. So it looks green. Interesting. Let's see. Wow, that got pink immediately. Sometimes with these color changing ones, it takes a couple of minutes for your lips to show some color, but this was like right immediately as you swiped it on. This for me is more of a like throw it in your purse, take it with you on a no makeup day. That way you give your lips like that bitten kind of look. So it looks like you actually get a blush and highlight in here, which I've already done a little bit as you can see, but I want to try out this Feeling Frosty, which is this highlight up here. So I'm going to take this Morphe M510. There's not really a highlighting brush in that kit, so I'm not going to use a brush there. And we're going to try this out. Ooh, that's really pretty. And I'll show you guys on a swatch by itself as well. So it's very reflective. It's got like a little glitter fleck in it, which is very small. You can't see it all that well, but this definitely looks pretty. This is something that I will wear for sure. So you can see the difference between that side. This side is really subtle and this really gave like that bam. So I'm gonna match us up. And now it's time to go into the eyes. So I cropped you in a little bit so you could see better. Going to go with this shade, which is called Cave. So I'm gonna take that on this fluffier brush. Ooh, a little bit of kickback in the beginning. If it's pigmented, I won't mind that. And I did prime my lids with Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So this is nice. It's a nice transition for me. This might be a little bit light for those who are not fair to light skin tones. It may not be deep enough for a transition, but for me, it's working out well. This is like the transition shade if you had to pick one. So as you can see, it's a little light, but it's blending well. I'm not having any issues there. Okay, so we got a little transition going. I am now going to take, this brush kind of is strange to me because it's so flat. So yeah, I don't know quite what I'm gonna do with that one. It's not, I'm sure it works for some people. It's just not one of my absolute go-tos. I'm gonna use an E17 to grab a little bit darker color. So I think I'm going to use Sly One just to darken up the crease area. That shade does not have as much kickback. And we are going to put it right into the crease. It looks nice for a very like natural look. You could do like a light shimmer on the lid and you could be done there. I kind of like too that that's not a true red, and I want to kind of pair a red lip with this eye. So yeah, if it was like red and red, I probably wouldn't do that. Whereas this is a little bit more muted. I'm gonna take E27, a bigger, fluffier brush, and just do a little bit of blending with a no product. With that same brush, I'm going to take a bit more of Cave, and I kind of want to pull that transition and crease just up a little bit towards the brow. So I'm basically going to kind of layer and just circular motions to go a little higher. That made a difference. So it's not that drastic of a change, but you can see it kind of lifted and opened the eye up a little bit.
I think my camera's trying to focus on my bunny back there. What are you doing, camera?
Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with that so far. I'm liking it. I'm kind of contemplating what to do next because there's so many shimmer shades. I basically used the two mattes already, and I definitely want to throw something else in there. At this point, you need to throw something on the lid and kind of be done because there's not many options, but I also want to try out some of these glitters. I want to show you the glitter. Like, they're very chunky, true glitter pressed in there. While I'm deciding, because I can't decide, I'm going to take this shade Max. It's like him yelling Max. I'm going to go under the brow bone with that while I'm deciding what I want to do. That kind of really mirrors the highlight. They actually could have done like a darker matte shade and just left the highlight to highlight the brow bone with. I feel like that would have been a good option. Not to complain because I do like it, but just if I saw an opportunity there. I'm gonna take first the shade Boring, which is down here. It's only a little bit darker and it's still a shimmer shade. I don't know how this is gonna work out. We're gonna pray that it wants to blend for us. And I'm gonna dip that lower into the crease and outer corner. That's actually doing pretty well. And now I want to try something and we're just going to see how it goes. I like all these colors, so I want to show you. The green is called Who Cares? Loathe, which I kind of really like. So I'm trying to decide between those. I also like the Cindy Lou Who shade, but I don't want to do that one because I want to do red on the lips. So I'm tempted to just try this Who Cares? I think that's what I'm going to do. And we're going to try it on the finger. That actually did well pressing it in. I've got a little bit of fallout on my cheek right here. You can't really see it. It's just small, but I'm gonna have to dust that away. And I wanna take a little bit of that Loathe. I'm just gonna take it on my pinky and press it here. Oh wow, that gold really showed up gold. It's like so much more true gold in person. Okay, so everything's working out nice. I just don't really like the color combination that I've done. It's not the product. It's literally like what I've picked. I'm not super pleased with. I'm going to use this Wayne Goss brush number 5, and I'm going to dip into that shade Sly One, which is that reddish muted shade, and go under my lower lash line. We're already kind of out there with this look, but I feel like I want to try the glitter for you guys. Like, if I don't, have I really even done it? So I'm going to take just some NYX glitter glue. I'm going to put the tiniest bit on my ring finger, and I'm going to use both. I feel like using both, I get a better application versus trying to do it like awkwardly over here. So I'm taking ring finger, kind of warming it up, and then I'm going to place it. And I'm actually going to dip both my fingers into this glitter. Wow, look at how rich it is with that glitter glue. Like, I barely went like, whoop, and that was it. Okay. Okay, is it sad that I really want to just do like black smoky with green on the lid? Like, I feel like that would be super pretty. So as much as I love this glitter, I'm still not feeling my overall look, honestly. But it's okay. It's just one day. It's the great thing about makeup. We can take it off. We've also got the Heartline 4-piece liquid eyeliner set, which looks like this. So it's got 4 shades inside. So you get a green, white, red, and black. And I went ahead and swatched them right here for you. The white has a little bit of a shimmer as well as the green. So it looks like the black and red are going to be more matte, so you get a good selection. I think today I'm just going to go with the black, since we've already done bright green glitter and I might be doing a red lip. So we're gonna do black and just see how it goes and try it out. Alright guys, this is my finished look using all of the Pure and Grinch collection. I hope you enjoyed seeing it, and while this isn't my all-time favorite look, it didn't turn out bad, and I feel like it was just like the choice of colors. I will definitely be using this green glitter and the red glitter more, and I feel like doing something like dark and smoky and then some of this glitter in the middle, that could be really pretty. I don't know, or doing like a dramatic cut crease with the glitter. I can see things happening. I did add the red Too Faced Melted Matte. This is in Cinnamon Bear, which comes from the little holiday set. I did do a video all about their collection as well. If you want to check it out, I will link it down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. We have 1 month until my birthday, and I want to hit 10,000. I don't know if it's possible. We're getting really close though. So thank you if you've already done so, and if not, thank you for doing so in a moment. So thanks for watching guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.